Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update here on SMCI Supermicrocomputer. Yeah, we had a very red week in the market. Also SMCI had a pullback, but that doesn't change the fact, guys, that we are here in the middle of a bullish breakout. It looks for me a little bit too perfect what happened here right now, so that's why I give you here my chart prediction. Everything what I say here is of course not financial advice, but if you haven't seen my previous videos on SMCI, I am super bullish on the stock, guys, and I will explain you in this video why. So first of all, we have to understand that even I'm bullish, I cannot give you financial advice, and we have to respect that we have here a quite high short interest of about 20%. So the total public tradable float, the official tradable float, is shorted by 20%, which is super high, guys. Usually you should not see more than 5 or 7% for a stock which is in an uptrend. In the numbers, that means 102 million shares are short. And we check the float for a second here. We have now here a float of 508 million shares. That is a result here where SMCI performed this stock split, not a reverse stock split, a stock split. That's why a 10-to-1 stock split made the float 10 times bigger, and then they started to dilute here a couple of shares. Yeah, still high squeeze potential, high breakout potential. Why? Because we're trading here in a very bullish structure. Everybody who bought in here in May 2023 got here SMCI at $8, and you can see that we had here a massive short squeeze to $122. And this is the reason why we have here overall a super bullish structure, and the accumulation structure or the distribution trend channel pattern broke now here for the first time. So we have a successful breakout here for the first time since March 2024. Here almost 1 year later, for the first time we could break out here of this bearish trend channel, or this is a descending trend channel here with a bullish support here at the bottom, guys, and that looks super bullish. Why do I mean it looks too perfect? Because usually we're heating now, or we just started now here in March, trading in March, guys. March is usually a very bearish month, so don't expect too much in March. I always try to release, or not I release here always my short squeeze predictions. So when you see this video, guys, tomorrow my brand new hot stock video will be available where I make my squeeze predictions for the next week. So which means the tickers in those videos have high squeeze potential. Even we have a bear market. When you are in a bear market, that means that you usually don't see so many squeezes, but that doesn't mean that the tickers cannot squeeze. We just had last week here a squeeze of 109% after my prediction, and overall I had even 5 other squeezes here in February between 150 and almost 800%, guys. So it is possible, but you have to be careful. You have to work with tight stop losses here, and even we have a bullish breakout, you could see here a huge shakeout, guys, and then the result will be a massive short squeeze here afterwards. So if you want to see my hidden short squeeze stocks, guys, I will continue with SMCI of course here in a second. Then you can join here our full package membership on Patreon. This is where you get all those hot stocks and also my trading alerts here on Patreon. I have tutorials available, member FAQs and stuff like that. So if you want to see this content, guys, you can click here in the video description. There is the link to the Patreon membership. Everybody is welcome. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or an advanced trader. So guys, why do I say it looks too perfect for SMCI? As I said, March is bearish, so we had a super strong rally here. I think even since May 2024, most of the stocks started to squeeze, pulled back and squeezed again. We had a lot of new all-time highs in the market, and SMCI started its rally after this shakeout here, or fake out, in November 2024. I already released here so many videos before because I was sure that we see here a squeeze, and the squeeze is still ongoing. Pullbacks are normal, and super perfect looks like that, guys, that if we now have here a bearish month in March, that could mean that SMCI pulls back here, back to this algo trend line here in the $28 range, maybe a little bit lower, but we have support here on this trend line, guys. And then because March is bearish, April normally stabilize a little bit, and then you will see again a squeeze rally in May if the market of course don't turn bearish. If the market stays like that, we are still in a bull market here. And when you see this pattern here for SMCI, guys, that looks too perfect, because that exactly shows that we have here a potential breakout, or where both lines here, both edges meet. It's exactly here, guys, in the beginning of May 2025. That's why I say that looks for me too perfect. That would just be absolute, based on algos, that would just make sense that we see a pullback, come back here in the $33 to $28 range, maybe with a small shakeout. That is possible, that we, same like here, that we dip below this line, and then we can see the next short squeeze structure here, and the next price goes to the upside. I already mentioned that in my previous videos, guys. You can also see them if you want, and of course when you want to copy here everything what you see in the chart, this is here based on TradingView. This is the chart program what I use for all my videos and all my trades. So if you want to learn trading, guys, you just need two things: knowledge. Yeah, first of all, knowledge. Money is temporary, because first you need to understand what you're doing. You can of course watch all my videos here. I try to share my knowledge in best way I can, especially for my members here. But of course the second thing is that you have a good chart program, and that's why I always recommend here TradingView, guys. I have also a discount link available. It's a $15 discount link on the premium tier. Also the special discount link for TradingView is available here in the video description, guys. So yeah, so what do I expect for SMCI? It doesn't mean that we have to come low like that, guys. So we have two scenarios here. There is also some support here. I zoom in that you can see this liquidity zone here. This blue box is the bullish support for SMCI between $33 and $23. This box here is the support, but the main algo support is this white trend line here. And if we should test this white trend line, that means the price should be here in the $28 to $29 range, guys. This is what I expect could happen next. Also, the price goals to the upside here are unchanged. So the next price level which I expect is here between $84, because there is one golden pocket which is not closed yet, and here is one open gap at $86, guys. So if SMCI starts the next rally, so in a perfect trading world, yeah, in a perfect trading world, we come down here back to this white trend line and see a breakout back to at least $84 to $85, which would mean when the price should touch the trend line here one more time before the squeeze, we have again a 208% squeeze potential. I mentioned that in my previous videos that I took some profits here. $57 was my price goal. We just came over that price goal here for 1 or 2 days before we had this sell-off here. That doesn't mean that the bullish structure is gone, guys. It's the opposite, but I always take profits, and especially when we have a bear market, guys, I never try to hold my positions too long. This is of course here an investment which is also for a long-term investment in my point of view, not financial advice. But as I said, I'm a swing and day trader here, so I take my profits when my price goals are reached, and my price goal here for SMCI was $57, where I sold some of my positions. I still holding some of the positions of course as well, and I will buy more when we come back here to this liquidity zones, guys. Yeah, my friends, this is the update for the next week. Stay calm. Yeah, the market is red. Don't go in panic or whatsoever, guys. This is normal. This is what trading does, guys. We have shakeouts, fakeouts, and bearish market phases, and then everything will squeeze at the same time again. I expect to happen that latest in May, but I will of course keep you updated here on my channel what the market is doing. My friends, that was the update. I thank you for watching this video. Wish you a great weekend and see you in the next one. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute, schönes Wochenende und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.